brand new company, so support a sister. Make sure y'all go buy some stuff. I'm gonna post the link to her Facebook page so y'all can go put in some orders and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is a product. She shipped it to me last month. I'm late with this video, y'all, forgive me. So she shipped it to me last month. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it right now so you guys can see the stuff. And I didn't open it yet. As you can see, it's still sealed. And I'm turning it on the back. See, nothing is showing. So I'm turning it like that. Okay, so gonna open it. Y'all ready to see? Okay. It smells good. It's called Brown Sugar Bath Essentials, y'all. And ain't this cute? It comes packaged in this little cute box right here. And it smells really good. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this really quick. Okay. So y'all look at the goodies. Look at the goodies. Ooh. Okay, so these are the body butter. Okay. Body butter, 2 body butter. Okay. All right, and this right here. And then it comes packaging, and this says the body scrub. You know us ladies, we gotta have some body scrub, honey. Yes, the body scrub right there. And I bought this package. You can buy them singles, and then you can also buy the set. So the set was $25, and it comes with 4 things. Oh, I just dropped something. And it comes with 4 things. Okay. And this. Okay, and then this one is the bar soap. It smells good. This one is the bar soap. It smells good. Okay, and I dropped something. Let me see. And I dropped the spoon. So the spoon to, you know, take the stuff out and all that good stuff. So yeah, it comes with this stuff. The bar soap, the body scrub, and 2, oops, I dropped y'all, and 2 body butter. So let me open it. See, it comes sealed up really good. And then when you open this, see, my nails is in the way right now, but okay, see, you lift it up. And it's natural ingredients and stuff like that, so that's good, because you don't want to use stuff with all those chemicals and all of that stuff. So it's all natural ingredients, so which is really, really good. So if y'all want to go get this, I'm gonna post the link to her Facebook or her Facebook page, so you guys can contact her if you want to buy some stuff, because it smells really good. Oh, let's open the body scrub. It smells good. It's like, see, it's look like that, it look like that, and they smell really good, guys. Like, I'm super excited to try these products. Y'all go get y'all some. Y'all could buy them 1 piece at a time to try it, or get the whole set for $25 like I did. With shipping and everything would be like $29. So make sure y'all go get that stuff. And let's see. And there's a card here. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Oh, this is cute. It says, "For best result, mix well and keep cool. Please remember to tag us in the Facebook and Instagram." Okay. So yeah, so for best results, mix well. Make sure you mix it up. That's why they give you a spoon before you use it. Mix it up real good, and all that good stuff. And tag them too when you get the stuff. Like, hey y'all, you know, tag them and all that good stuff too. So yeah, make sure y'all go get this stuff. Let me show y'all again. Okay, this is the stuff right there, and this is the package, and that's the package right there. Brown Sugar Bath Essentials. So that's it right there. So make sure y'all go get some.